Hi to everyone. Welcome to குழந்தைகள் உலகம். Today our topic is chapter 3 computer organization. First we will see introduction. Computer organization deal with the hardware components of a computer system. It includes input output devices, the central processing unit, storage device and primary memory. It is concerned with how the various components of computer hardware operate. It also deals with how they are interconnected to implement an architectural specification. The term computer organization looks similar to the term of computer architecture, but computer architecture deals with the engineering consideration involved in designing a computer. On the other hand, computer organization deal with the hardware components that are transparent to the programmer. Basics of microprocessor. The CPU is the major components of a computer which perform all tasks. This is realized by the microprocessor, which is an integrated circuit. Microprocessors were first introduced in early 1970s. The first general purpose microprocessor 4004 was developed by Intel. The microprocessor is a programmable multi-purpose silicon chip. It is driven by clock pulses. It accepts input as a binary data, and after processing it provides the output data as the instruction stored in the memory. The microprocessor is made up of three main units. There are arithmetic and logic unit, control unit and registers. That is internal memory. Arithmetic and logic unit to perform arithmetic and logical instruction based on computer instructions. Control unit to control the overall operation of the computer through the signals. Register, they are used to hold the instruction and data for the execution of the processor. The microprocessor is able to communicate with the memory unit and the input-output devices. The system bus is a bunch of wires which is the connection of address bar, data bus and control bus that serves as communication channel between the microprocessor and other devices. Characteristics of microprocessor. First one, clock speed, instruction set and word size. These are the characteristics of microprocessor. Do you know speed measurement? Hertz, abbreviated as HZ, is the standard unit of measurement used for measuring frequency. Since frequency is measured in a cycle per second, 1 Hertz equal 1 cycle per second. Hertz is commonly used to measure wave frequency such as sound waves, light waves and radio waves. For example, the average human ear can detect the sound wave between 20 and 2000 Hertz. The sound wave close to 20 Hertz have the low pitch is called bass. Sound waves above 5000 Hertz have a high pitch and are called treble frequencies. While Hertz can be used to measure wave frequencies, it is also used to measure the speed of computer processor. For example, each CPU is rated at a specific clock speed. This number indicates how many instruction cycle the processor can perform in every second. Since the modern processor can perform millions or even billions of instructions per second, clock speed are typically measured in megahertz or gigahertz. Clock speed. Every microprocessor has an internal clock that regulated the speed at which it executes instructions. The speed at which the microprocessor executes instruction is called the clock speed. Clock speed is measured in megahertz or in gigahertz. Instruction set. A command which is given to a computer to perform a operation on the data is called instruction. Basic set of machine level instruction that a microprocessor is designed to execute is called as a instruction set. This instruction set carries out for the following operations: data transfer, arithmetic operation, logic operation, control flow, and input output. Word size. The number of bits that can be processed by a processor in a single instruction is called it word size. Word size determines the amount of RAM that can be accessed by a microprocessor at one time and the total number of pins on the microprocessor. Total number of input and output pins in turn determines the architecture of the microprocessor. Do you know the first commercial microprocessor, Intel 4004, is a 4-bit processor. It has 4 input pins and 4 output pins. Number of output pins is always equal to number of input pins. It can process 4 bits at a time, so it is called as a 4-bit processor. Intel released many microprocessors like Intel 8085, which is 8-bit processor, Intel 8086, which is 16-bit microprocessor. So on the currently most of the microprocessor used 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. Data communication between CPU and memory. The CPU has the memory data register and memory address register. The memory data register keeps the data which is transferred between the memory and CPU. The program counter is the special register in the CPU which always keep the address of the next instruction to be executed. The arithmetic and logic unit of CPU places the address of memory to be fetched into the memory address register. A bus is a collection of wires used for communication between the internal components of a computer. The address bus is used to point a memory location. A decoder, a digital circuit, is used to point to specific memory location where the word can be located. The address register is connected with the address bus, which provide the address of the instruction. A data bus is used to transfer data between the memory and the CPU. The data bus is bidirectional and the address bus is unidirectional. The control bus controls both read and write operations. The read operation fetch the data from memory and transfer to memory data register. A single control line performs 2 operations like read and write using 1 or 0. Also, the write operation transfers data from the memory data register to memory. The word in the RAM has the same size as the memory data register. If the process is an 8-bit process like Intel 8085, it is memory data register and the word in the RAM both have 8 bits. If the size is memory data register is 8 bit, which can be connected with a word in the memory which is also 8 bit size. Data bus has 8 parallel wires to transfer data either from memory data register to word or word to memory data register based on the control. The control line is labeled as read and write, which becomes 1 means read operation and 0 means write operation. The first figure is before the read operation, then second figure is after the read operation. The read operation transfer the data from word to memory data register. The write operation transfer the data from memory data register to word. Like and share the video. Subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.